Hey everybody, it's Kenny here at the Parker Real Estate Group at Huff Realty. Today I'm at the open house of 10803 Muirfield Court. It's in the beautiful promenade section of Triple Crown. This is a townhome that features two primary suites, two full baths, two half baths, granite countertops here in the kitchen, as you can see behind me. It also offers a finished lower level that includes a huge family room, wet bar, two wood burning fireplace. You know, you have to see this place to believe it. It's listed at only $300,000. It also offers low Boone County tax rate, along with one of the lower HOA fees here in Northern Kentucky. If you want to stop by and see me between noon and 2 today, please do so, or you can reach out to me directly at 859-393-4879, and I'd love to set up a private showing for you. If you have any questions about this beautiful townhome, let me know. I will talk to you later. Thank you.